Hi guys, it's Maaike. I am back with my Distress ink unboxing. There's only one ink pad and the refill. But the Uncharted Mariner, Marinade, that's what I want to say all the time. But I'm not sure what it means. I googled it. Doesn't make any sense to me. Is it just me? Let me know down below because I just want to see Uncharted Seas. I might say that as well. But the color is fabulous. It's a very deep petrol teal-like, probably deep sea gorge blue, the abyss. It doesn't feel very summery to me as of yet. It's just maybe because I didn't ink blended it the right way. But I held it up with my other swatches, my dye inks, and Memento. Dewdrops I have only, but you know they come in big as well. And the Card Deco drops, I don't know what they're called, but there's emerald, which is very similar, and then there is deep sea blue from Card Deco. This is the exact same color as Uncharted. And then there's Memento, has nautical blue, which is a little bit more bluish, but you can only see that if you put them together. But if you hold them arm length so I can read what I wrote down, and I stamped it twice because my Memento is a bit dry, but if I hadn't it probably would be even more similar. But that's okay. You might not have Card Deco because Card Deco is a Dutch brand, but just look at your charts and look at my chart. Chart. You might know I adopted Charlie 2 weeks ago. And then last week I got his sister, brother, we're not sure, Jasper, from Great Jasper Stone, and Charlie Charcoal. And Chert wanted cuddles because he's been very moody. He was just got used to Charlie, and then I brought another one home. And he doesn't like me very much at the moment, but I bought pheromones from diffuser plug thingies to help him. But let's go back to my charts. I looked at all of my charts because I thought they were so similar. I thought I can just look at my old recipe like this one, nautical blue. But I didn't. I also didn't stick around for the whole lives everyone is doing. And that's mostly because I wanted to go in with an open mind or a clear mind and look at my charts and make up my own recipes, which might not be originals because others might have the same ideas and same inks, but that's how I wanted to do it. Yesterday they came in at Duoding, and yesterday evening there was a live from Duoding, and I suggested a color combo. I didn't have the ink yet, just by looking at the demo from Tim Holtz I thought, oh, that would go nice. But yeah, it's a fresh eyes, that's what I want to say. This is Uncharted Mariner, Stormy Sky and Weathered Wood. These are very grayish blue, very nice too, but the they don't look very summery. That's probably because it's so dark. It doesn't spark. See, I look at the one that I done with speckled eggs and peacock feathers and the emerald from Card Deco and an Uncharted Mariner. I'm sorry. Let me know down below what you think because I can't say it. The Uncharted ink. That looks very bluish green, maybe more like sea glass, I think. Hey! Yeah, kittens, yay! Charlie was called after charcoal, of course, because it's black. And then Charlie is man and female name because, they said she was a girl, and I don't think she was. But Chert takes to Charlie more than to Jasper, and Jasper for sure is a boy. So maybe that's the reason, I don't know. We'll see. I bought pheromones today to put them in the plug, you know, to help him de-stress. I probably bought the wrong one as well. I thought he would like company, and he was just getting used to it, and now he's very moody. Just like his mommy. Me. Oh man, I went to the post office just earlier, and there were girls sitting in the middle of the street. And I thought, oh, that's not very smart. And he said, oh, hairball? But I don't know, do your kids do that? You know? Well, just sit here and let myself be run over? I don't get it, but I might be old. But then the reaction, yeah, I'm sorry, but I think it's a bit weird. No, I would say, oh, sorry, but they went like. There's this TV series, I don't feel at home in this world anymore, or something like that. I haven't watched more than the first episode, but I can relate to that. Anyway, the other colors I thought would be nice together were the peacocky colors, the more greenish. So teal zeal is of course Memento. Then peacock feathers, distress ink. Emerald is Card Deco, which peacock feathers and emerald is really nice together. And then I came to the Salvage Patina as a lighter one. There's a big gap there, but that still works really good. I'm just looking up because I think I also stamped Broken China, but I didn't write it down. Yeah. And as I say, I love this color. I just think it's more for sweaters or clothing, and maybe not for a sea. But yeah, I still like it. I bought it because I like it. As if I don't know if I said it, because this is like the 5th time I do the voiceover with kittens running around. I can't remember if I said it already. But if it had been brown or stuff, I wouldn't have bought it. And although many people thought it would be yellow because of the season, but I thought it would be blue because I wanted yellow, but I thought it would be blue because of the seaside theme. And yeah, I have many teal things, and hello, and 2 kittens. Can you hear him? Or her? We're not sure. Well, that was Jasper. Yeah. Hello. Man, I did it for cheered, but I don't think he likes it too much. But anyway, do you have any colors? Did you watch all the lives? Did you watch all the YouTubers make their combinations? Because, as I said, I didn't want to. I wanted to go in there with my own eyes and my, virgin view. But, yeah. I will make more. If you have ideas what it could be, because it's very green. It's not like a sea. Of course, there are turquoise seas. Yeah, somewhere in the tropics. Well, we have grey, muddy, clay North Sea. It's horrible. It's not like this. And don't do that. Yeah, speckled egg, Salvage Patina would also be nice. I think, but yeah, there will be more, and I probably won't do it as a review. I just wanted to let you see that maybe you don't have the distress inks, and because of the worldwide shipping problems, might take a little bit more time. But if you have the Memento, you don't need it maybe, or you can make do until you get it, because distress inks are different, but they're also water reactive. So I haven't found the difference yet. What is it? Too much energy. Yeah, music. One of my favorite combinations is the emerald from Card Deco with the peacock feathers, and then the salvage patina. And the teal seal is also Memento. That would be much better match to the Uncharted. Sorry, that was Jasper. He purred into the microphone, then jumped on my keyboard and messed up my whole voiceover thingy. Oh man. But I sped it up now as well a little bit because you know how to blend. But yeah, if you have ideas what this kind of green bluish color would work for, let me know. Because I'm thinking while I'm looking at the screen and do the voiceovers. Yeah, it's so pretty and I want to use it all the time. This is, by the way, Speckled Egg, Teal Seal and Uncharted M. Abbreviated. Yeah, as I say, greenish blue. Very nice. Maybe I'll do the car from the neighbors. I don't know. If you have an idea, let me know. Thank you for watching. And here's some cats. And also cheered when he was a teeny tiny kitten as well. Because, you can't leave him out, can we? Thank you for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye.